Hi everyone, I welcome you back to this course on Complete Python Bootcamp for Data Science. So far we have seen the Python data structures, Python data types, how we can declare a variables, and how we can declare integer variable, float variables, and string variables. So now we will see some of the operations that we can do, some of the operators that are present in Python, and how we can leverage those operations and can make something out of that. So let me come to my screen. So first we will talk about very basic, that is arithmetic operators. So you must be knowing these operators and have used in your day-to-day operations for making anything or for calculating anything. That is nothing but your subtraction, addition, multiplication, and division. So these are like pretty straightforward. If you see 2 plus 2, what is an answer? 4. If you want to add any two numbers, you can just add a plus sign and it will make an addition. Similarly, if you want to subtract any two numbers, you can just make use of this symbol, subtract symbol. If you want to multiply any two digits, just use the asterisk sign available and it will give you the multiplication of two numbers. Similarly, if you want to use the division sign, just use the backslash and the number you want to divide from, and you will get an answer. So here the point worth noting is you will get an answer in terms of floating point, because if any integers that is not perfectly divisible will give you an floating point answer, that is 3.5. But in case you need only absolute value, you can use double backslash. And now if you divide, you will get an answer just as 3. So these are your arithmetic operations. And next we will see a question around this.